Hey guys, Alex with Pacific Calls here, sitting at the tuning desk, and I have our southbound series duck call line with me. This is a true injection molded polycarbonate duck call that I offer in both a single reed or a double reed. Both are very easy to use. The single's a little bit louder, a little bit crisper, whereas the double is a little bit softer and a little bit easier to blow. I'm gonna give you a sound file of both. Start with the single reed. Move over to the double. Even though they're just polycarbonate, man, they're probably one of my favorite calls that we produce. Check them out.